Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have a sum. We will evaluate the sum of 1 over n plus 1 times root n plus n times root n plus 1 from n equals 1 to n equals 99. Now, my friend, to be able to evaluate this, we will try to transform this, fraction, this 1 over n plus 1 times root n plus n times root n plus 1 into something minus something, since if we can do this, we will have some cancellation and we can evaluate the sum of the 99 terms. Let's try to do this. Let's try to find what we can do. We have n plus 1 and root n plus 1, so we can factor one of root n plus 1s, and we have root n and n, so we will factor root n and root n plus 1 out, and we will have actually, to get a root n plus 1, we will multiply this by, again, root n plus 1, and to have a n, we will have root n again. This is the first step we are doing. This is the first step. Now, as you see, we have a radical part here. We will multiply denominator and numerator by root n plus 1 minus root n, the radical conjugate, this root n plus 1 minus root n. Here in the denominator, this will become from the difference of two squares, this is n plus 1 minus n, which is just 1. This becomes 1. So we have, let's write, we have root n plus 1, root n plus 1 minus root n divided by the multiplication of these two, I guess, root n times root n plus 1. Root n times root n plus 1. And this is better now, since we can separate like root n plus 1 divided root n times root n plus 1, and minus this root n divided by root n times root n plus 1. And doing our cancellations, here we will have 1 over root n, and here we will have 1 over root n plus 1. This is something we may have seen before. This is the difference of 1 over root n and 1 over root n plus 1. Let's turn back to our sum. We will evaluate from 1 to 99, and our expression becomes 1 over root n minus 1 over root n plus 1. Now, let me write, for n equals 1, we will have 1 over 1 minus 1 over root 2, plus for 2, we will have 1 over root 2 minus 1 over root 3, and so on, up to 99, we will have 1 over root 99 minus 1 over root 100. And you can see the cancellations now. These minus n plus 1 over root 2 cancel. This minus n plus 1 over root 3 will also cancel. Negative and positive 1 over root 99 will also cancel. And we will have this 1 over 1, which is 1. And we will have minus 1 over root 100, which is 1 over 10. We have 1 minus 10. And having a common denominator, this is equal to 9 over 10. So this is the final result for our sum. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.